about 11 o'clock at night here. I want to talk to you about the question I had from Victoria and also from Charlene regarding seasickness. Good question, right? Again, it's only my second cruise. So my first cruise, we were on the 15th deck, which is almost the top of the ship. This cruise, we're on the 5th deck. So there is some differences here. First of all, I don't get seasick at all, so it's never a problem for me. So I noticed on this trip here, though, there is some slight rocking on the 5th deck. Nothing terrible as far as I'm concerned, right? Maybe like this a little bit, right? You can feel the waves sometimes. On the 15th deck, I'm upstairs on the top deck, just sitting there relaxing. I can still feel a little bit of a slight rocking there too. So what we think is, because we took the trip in December on the MSC Seascape, we were kind of near the coast, you know. We were going from Florida to Bahamas and things of that nature, so we weren't as far out in the ocean as, you know, typically you would be on a cruise like this. So a cruise like this, we're going from California to Hawaii, which means for the past 4 days we've been in the middle of the ocean, which is a little bit more, the captain said, he said it's a little bit more turbulent. So, and by turbulence, really, it's not that bad. But what we did do, just a little advice for you, we did buy about a 12-pack of Dramamine for my wife, because she thought she might have some seasickness, but she hasn't been seasick at all, nor have I. Honestly, for me at night on the 5th deck, it's like it's almost like I'm being cradled and being rocked to sleep slowly, you know. So I really enjoy the little bit of rocking. It's not much. You really can't feel it, you know. I can't feel it very much, but if you guys have some kind of fear or concern about getting seasick, you should buy some Dramamine or something like that, like you know, that you can handle, that your body can handle. We have all 12 pills still in the box, so we haven't used anything at all for seasickness. But something, if you're concerned about, bring some with you. I haven't felt much difference between the 5th deck and the 15th deck on this ship here on the Emerald Princess, and on the cruise in December going from Florida to the Bahamas and things of that nature. There wasn't much rocking either. So it's just been my experience personally, and my wife too. She said the same thing. We just didn't feel anything. So there you guys go. A little bit of advice for you. Bring some pills in for you if you want to. And there's not much rock and rolling, as we say, on the sea for us. Now, this is only day 5, excuse me. Got 10 more days to go, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'll do another video to let you know if we hit anything dramatic for you, right? Okay? Thanks a lot, and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that, and you have a good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.